In this video, I will be showing how to use the AI Plus folding and docking algorithms within CDD Vault. To start, we will go to the AI Plus protocol and add new readout definitions. If you have AI Plus enabled, you will see the new folding and docking data type readout definition options. In the folding, you can give it a name, choose your algorithm to use, either AlphaFold 2 or ESM Fold, and then also choose a trigger. In this case, I already have created a trigger for an AlphaFold or ESM Fold run. When the trigger is edited, that will tell CDD Vault to run your folding. For docking, it's the same situation, where we can give our name. DiffDock is the docking algorithm of choice, and choose a trigger, as well as upload a PDB file for the protein that you want your small molecule docked to. In this example, GLP-1 receptor is the protein we'll be docking to. To view more of the results of AI Plus, we will pull up a couple save searches. To start, we will look at a protein folding save search. Here you can see our protein folding PDB results for 3 different proteins alongside other information that's being stored in Vault, including properties and molecule fields. Within the search table, we can interact with our PDB files to get a different view or zoom in and zoom out. And if we click in, our advanced PDB viewer allows you to look at solvent accessible surfaces, solvent excluded surfaces, as well as the van der Waals surfaces of your protein. If we look at our docking saved search, we can see the results we gain from there as well. Similarly, all the docking results from the docking protocol can be seen alongside any other information within CDD Vault. And if we click in, we also have the ability to look at our van der Waals ligand surfaces, as well as focusing on the active site and viewing any of our protein surfaces as well. If you're interested in learning more about AI Plus folding and docking, please reach out to support@collaborativedrug.com or go to our website, www.collaborativedrug.com. Thanks.